Okay, guys, welcome back, and here we are back with Tesla. We had an order set. If you check my previous video, basically we had an order at 424 to buy one, and that went through at this point here, at around there. And so at that point, Tesla was falling down, and it picked up after buying that share. That's pretty good. And as you can see, it has been continuing doing the stairs dance that we were doing before. And slowly, like a little ant, look at what happened to Tesla. It went up all the way to 1%. Don't forget that we started negative this morning, and now it's doing pretty good. So most of the other stocks, I have to say, they went down. If we checked, sorry about that, not that one, this one. If we check the portfolio and we analyze the biggest stocks we have, not like this, by value. For example, Slack went down. It's like, the other one that went down was Etsy, that was doing pretty good. Now, I mean, we're still positive, but not as good as before. Tortoise, it's 5 up, okay. Etsy is negative, okay. That's today's column, okay. So that's today, we have it here, and that's the percentage, okay. And here you have the amount that we went up today, for example. So for Tesla, it went up $84, and Tortoise went 37. Those are the best ones. Dell, we were negative 100 more or less, and look, we recover a lot. 9.5% up. That's a really good recovery. And if we sort by today's top, or let's do the negative ones. I thought this was funny. Tesla, it's the one most affected today. I mean, it has been going down for a long time. Look, it's minus 31% in the last, ever since Trevor took off. It's like with all the lies and all the stuff. Silly me, I bought 6 shares of it, but yeah, I mean, so far I'm negative $41, 42. Oh well. Other stocks doing not very good is Kensington Capital. It's another spec company. Sunwest Energy. Okay, I only have 1 share of that one, and it has been down for a while, minus 16%. And this one also, I had it for a long time, keeps on going down. So these are companies that are going down, okay, and not recovering. I mean, if we would sort by this one, we could see are going down today. These are the ones going down today. If we check by this one, this column, we'll see the ones that have been going down for a long time. Cayenne Petroleum, Jaguar Health. But these are funny ones, because Jaguar Health and Cayenne Petroleum, all of a sudden it goes up like 20, 30%. And at that moment you recover. You don't get to purchase price, but you have to sell a few of the shares to recover a little bit. The same with Marathon Patent Group, which at one point I had it at minus 50%, something like that. That was half lost. So I stick to it. Slowly I sold some shares, and there you go. That's the way to do it. Don't sell it in panic, otherwise you lose for sure the entire thing. It's better to hold it if you can hold it, because sometimes you need the money. You need to get out of some positions. Normally we try to get out of positions that have a small loss, like this one, for example, a small loss. I mean, that's the global loss. So I will go for this one. I only have 1 share. Oh well. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. Let's check the ones that today are doing best and analyze if we can sell some positions that might be interesting. But so far, advanced micro devices, let's check that one out. Actually, we have it here, and that's the target for to sell it, 82.75, around that level, and it almost reached that target. Then now it's cooling off. Okay, Alibaba, it's moving. I put a purchase order for it at 277, which is the level at which I already bought some shares before. Now it's starting to cool off a little bit. I can see it's going to reverse, but it was trying to reverse here by recover, so it went up and it's above the 200 moving average. So that would be a good moment, in my opinion, to buy it. Everything in this channel is in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't listen to anything I say. And let's check Shopify. Shopify had a very nice rally through the entire day, and now it's, oh, look at that. It lost some momentum, but it recovered, so it's doing very good. 5% up, but we're out of it, so I'm just gonna close it because this consumes a lot of memory. And Slack has been going around the 200 moving average. Nothing exciting. We'll close it too. We can close. No, we'll leave Baba because we're gonna check back on it. Etsy, same thing. For today, it started very good, but then it lost all the power and it went all the way down. Upwork, I was checking it out to buy it, but in the 1 monthly, I see it's about to reach saturation. It's doing pretty good. It might still go 5% up tomorrow in the next few days, but I'm pretty sure at this point, at this level, it might drop and then go up, and at the end, I'm not too sure about it. So I'll remove it. Same thing with Walmart. It's doing really good today, and we have some shares, and I was thinking to buy more, but at the end, I didn't. I went for Alibaba. Another good one is Facebook. Look at this. Is at the point of changing, inception point. So this might be a good moment to buy. Okay, or it would have been better a bit lower, but you never know how much is going to fall. So now, if it crosses, that would be perfect, but already you can see pretty good moment for it. Facebook, we have a few positions on Facebook, and we can check that out. Facebook, oh, I see here we have 7 shares. So it might be a good moment to buy 2 more. Let's do that. Come on. Let's check for Facebook in the daily. So we do 5 and then I change to the minute to see where we can buy it. Basically, here would have been the perfect moment, 258, but I doubt that's going to happen again. So to be a bit more conservative and thinking about this as a support, we want to be above that level, let's say at around 258.89, okay? So we'll go to Facebook, 258.89, 258.89, okay? And we'll buy 2 shares because that's all we have. Probably we won't even be able to do that, but there we go. So we have the shares in action. Alibaba, so what we'll do is we'll create a new order and we'll filter by Facebook. That way we know that okay, we're selling some at different levels and we're buying. So so we bought at different levels. That's good. And we'll wait for it to see what it does. Also, I just placed an order for Mercado Libre, MELI, ticker symbol MELI, and it has been doing pretty good lately, but today it had a bad day. And I tried to buy last week when it was at around 990 or something like that, and then it went through the 200 moving average and it never came back. So now I thought is the moment. But if now it does a reversal here, we won't be able to get it because I think it's going to go too high up. But we're going to check the, I didn't make a filter for this order. Mercado Libre, they're at 1065, which is at around, that's very low. I doubt we're gonna get to that level. So let's find a point of support, previous support here, probably that one. I would take this one actually because that's the closest one. It seems like it's bouncing back from the 500, from the 50 moving average. It's been a long day, so it's like I cannot even talk anymore. We'll do 176 and see what happens. Okay, so back to Tesla. What's happening with Tesla? Look at this. It's moving in small steps, okay? Very small steps, kind of sideways on towards the upper level. Look at that. It's a 1.5 already. Okay, 427.5. Oh, look at that. I underestimated Tesla. You can never underestimate Tesla. It might surprise you. Okay, it might not seem like much. I mean, we've been at a higher level before today. We've been at 462. Okay, look, I see there's something not working. I need to reload it because it doesn't look correct. And what are the different orders we have for Tesla to buy? We just bought at 424. We bought one, okay, and we had other orders set which never went through because now we're in an uptrend and it will never get to these ones. We could try to find a new point for each of these in case it would go down. And let's see now. Okay, look at that. Okay, that was like really delayed information from Facebook, from Yahoo Finance, sorry. So we just had a hype in here, crazy hype again. Like today we've had a few of those, but not in one shot because that's incredible. Look at that. And I don't know if it's here it says 1.34, but I don't know if it's true or not. That's not always correct, but now seems to be taking off. Tesla, look at that. It's in a good position, a good moment. We're going to check the RSI to see. Okay, we'll need to zoom in. Okay, this RSI is not helping much. And we'll go back to the MACD. There you go. It's opening. It's opening. That means it wants to continue going up. It's going to continue further up. I'm going to zoom out to get a better perspective. And yeah, it looks like it's going to go up. It looks like it. Shall we buy something now? No, I think it's too late. We should have bought it before. And I was thinking to buy one or two at 425 would have been a good price. But what we'll do, we'll adapt our orders. So the 1 is going to become the 425 because we just bought the 424. So 425. Then we want to, the 425, we want it a bit cheaper, 1% less. That's going to be 421, which is, in that case, if that happens, we'll buy 2. And then 1% less would be 417 for the 3 here, 417. So there we go, 1% difference between each, 1% less, 1% less. And as we get cheaper, we buy more. So we buy 3, 2, and 1. There you go. Sorry about that. It's like not very nice design. Okay, so far for the day, we're doing good. Actually, we were at 0 a few minutes ago, but I think since Tesla went up, and Tesla is a big weight in our portfolio, has a big weight in our portfolio. Let's check out Tesla. Look at that, 700. So doing good, doing good. So let's go back through each one of them. Look, now it's cooling off. Look at the high, then it cool off, and we're going, and probably the 425 was not a good idea. So we're going to change that again. Okay, it's always, when you think you're doing something good. So now we'll put it 424. Okay, it's not changing. I don't know, there's something wrong. So 424 divided by 101 is 419, and we have 418, which I'm sure is not correct. 419 we'll put, and then divided by 101, 416, and we have 417. Okay. We are rectifying, but now it shows 427. It's like, I don't know if this is driving me crazy, this Yahoo Finance today. Okay, seems to be correct. 426, 427. We're doing good. We're doing good. And okay, but the drop happened. So it went up, moved sideways, dropped, and now it should recover. But right now, it's in the downtrend, and now it should start going down, at least a little bit. And as we can see in the last hour or so, 1 hour, it has been using the 50 moving average as the support. Let's check. The next sell that we set was at this level, 431, but then we have another 431 right away, which we could increase in 1 percentage point. That would be 135. And actually, at the end, we'll have to move everything up. That's what I'm what I'm seeing. So, I think we have to move everything forward. But probably this, the 431, we can reduce it to 428. We'll do that. 2 at 428, and we'll leave this one as it is. 431.50 we'll put to round it up. There we go. That looks good. The strategy looks good, and let's check the other ones, see how they're evolving. 277.12, and it's starting to fall, and if that happens, we might be able to buy it at 277. Advanced Micro Devices, we have this target to sell, and now it's falling. We won't be able to sell it. And Facebook, we wanted to buy it at around 258, and it didn't go down. It didn't go at that. It didn't reach that level. We would need to increase that order to 259.22. Let's do that. Facebook, it was around here. Mercado Libre, Alibaba, Facebook. So we'll modify this one to 259. I don't remember what I said. 22. Was that it? I think that was correct. But now it's taking off. Now it's changing direction. Now it's the moment when it's taking off, and we might not be able to get it at that price anymore. So it could have been here at 16, 22 would have been there. I mean, right now it's trading at around 259.36. 259.36. We'll do that. We buy it. Look, 259. Did I say 39? No, it was correct. 259.35. Okay, is no longer found. That means it went through, even if it didn't even show, but we bought it. At 259.36, we bought two. We can already set a sell order, 259.36, and we want to make 5% on it. So we just do sell 2 shares, good till cancellation or execution, 272.33. There we go. But we will check one thing with Facebook, because we had many different orders. I don't see them at the moment. Well, that's because I closed the orders, the Facebook orders. So what we'll do, we'll filter the Facebook orders. Well, it's still showing this. It's like, and it doesn't show the new one. It's like, okay, guys, I need to reboot. Okay, I'm gonna, and here we are back. Okay, I reboot it. Everything looks better now. So we have one at 272, one at 275, one at 295. So the one 272, if I do 1 percentage point more, it's I could join these two together. So we could put all at 275.65. I just write it down so I remember, but we'll just cancel this, and put them together, so we have less costs. I mean, the tax is going to be the same, but we only pay 50 cents instead of $1 to sell it. So 275.65, good till completion, to cancellation, to execution, until it's done. There we go, and we can close Facebook. Bye-bye, Facebook. And we still have these ones going on, okay? And we can check them quickly to see if anything happened. This one won't get executed today. Baba, it's taking off. Baba is taking off. Now would be the best moment to buy, 277.23. We're gonna check if it's at that level right now. 277, and we are at 277.25, and it's okay, still going down, but it doesn't want to really get to that bottom level. So I would just buy at this price, 277, and because it's already recovering. So, oh look, 277.20. Oh my God! Now it starts going down. Okay, we'll try 277. 15. I see the lowest it's trading at the moment. If that's accurate, we might be able to get it at 277.15. But let's check 277.20 at the moment. So it might happen. While that's done, we can check Mercado Libre here, Meli, and same thing or not. Let's check it out here. Meli, we put it at 1076, and right now it's at 1078, which we are almost there. That should go through because it's in, it reached the maximum. Okay, so if we could put the price down, because if that's the case, we're gonna put it in the 1 minute, because that probably was, no, that's correct. I think we could put the price down. Let's see, what's the lowest range? 69. We'll put, I want to see the range at which is trading, 170.93, 169, and we are 169.44 right now. So normally it should buy it. No, but it's not correct. That's not correct. But since it's turning around now, and that took a long time, it took 1 hour, I think we might be able to get it for a little bit less. I know, I just put 69. Oh, okay, no, that's no way. We can do 1074. 1074, although it's trading all the way to 1007. Okay, look, 1072, and we'll leave it there. Let's check Tesla a little bit and see where we are with Tesla. And it has been on a downtrend, but that didn't affect the value of the stock. The stock has been going up, and that means that it's consolidating. It's getting very strong, although so far we're at around the same level as before, but that's good, already looking good. And yeah, and I think this is a good moment to say, please like and subscribe, and I think we'll leave it here by now, and we'll see you tomorrow in the next episode, tomorrow Wednesday, okay? Thanks for watching, and don't forget, this is all in my opinion. Bye.